bananas, you say peppers. All right, you guys, remember in my last Gashapon video when I asked y'all, do you like for me to unbox an entire set of Gashapon that is all the same thing? Like, for instance, last time we did an episode all about tiny water bottles, and it was 5 tiny water bottles. And then I was thinking, maybe y'all are a little bored of that, like seeing an entire video dedicated to one single type. And I feel like the answers were a little bit mixed, but I was actually surprised that most of y'all did seem to like the episodes where I was just like focusing on one packet. Well, I was cleaning the other day and I kind of did a boo-boo because I started putting some sets that I have like all in this. Look at all of these, y'all. Look at all of these. We've got a lot of them. So today's episode is gonna be a mixture of a bunch of sets that some of them I did just get and I started like mixing up in here. And then some of these, you guys, I have had for years. Like, I'm pretty sure I moved them from the old filming room. So I don't know, we are maybe gonna unbox like 5, 10 today and see what we get. It's like more or less what can I fit in the time frame that I have left. I've got 20 minutes to film on this memory card. So let's open this one first because I keep looking down. Oh my God, I think I can tell what this is. Ooh, the tape. Oh my God! This is like so shocking. Okay, let's see the brand. Actually, that's maybe the boring part. Let me just show you guys what it is. Look at this. It's a macaroon. Oh my God, I miss macaroons, you guys. Oh, it's squishy. I really was not expecting that. I thought it was gonna be just like a plastic figure of a macaroon, but it's not scented. But it is like a really impressive, soft squishy. So we quite apparently could have gotten all of these different colorways, but we got the pink one. And I think the brand of this is called Beam. That's what I see there. I'm discovering like new Gashapon brands. A lot of them are actually on like AliExpress, and I'm kind of curious, like, is it actually real ones or are they knockoffs? Do they make knockoffs of things like this? I just dropped it. All right, you guys. This. What is this gonna be? Can you tell? Because I can't. And I can't open it either. Oh, there's tape. What did I do with that? I had my little thing I just got from Temu. My little slicey thing. That was gonna be very helpful for me. Now I'm just ripping at this tape. What is this? This looks like a painting, a diorama of sorts. Look at that. Oh, it is like a painting. It looks like it has magnets on the back. This is a very famous painting, but I honestly don't know the artist. And, ooh, it's got like, doesn't this look, oh my gosh, hello. Okay, I bet it's 2 different things. I thought it was gonna magnetize to the base, but it doesn't seem to do that. I'm gonna put this on my skincare fridge. It doesn't actually magnetize to this, which, can anyone read that? That would be so cool. If you could, look at that. It's like a little art piece on display. Oh my gosh. So let's see, how many other famous pieces of art could we have gotten? Now I have to admit, wait, wasn't this, okay, don't laugh at me for saying this. Wasn't one of these in Animal Crossing? I'm pretty sure that one was. These are all the different art pieces that we could have gotten. That's really, really cool. Although I have to admit, my favorite types of Gashapon are the strap kind. I don't see a brand. Where they can be like keychains and stuff like that, because I love the mini tiny realistic keychains. That's just kind of like my favorite thing. All right, you guys. Let's open this one because it looks like a solidified glass of milk, which doesn't sound appealing at all. That should not be appealing. Solid milk. No. All right. We are one step closer to seeing what's inside. I actually like cannot tell at all. I have to admit, the last two I could like kind of see, you know, maybe what it was gonna be. This one is like actually really good. What? I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a Pokemon. You guys, I know I've said this. I really feel like I have missed out because I've never played Pokemon, so I don't know. All I know is Pikachu. That's it. This is a really cute whatever it is. It's almost like a squishy like bath toy, kind of. It's like a little figure, but it's like squishy. He's very cute. Whatever he is, what are you? And here is the charts. This is by Takara Tommy. I know I'm not saying that correctly, but we could have gotten all of these different Pokemon. I like the purple one. I don't know what his name is either. All right, let's open this one. Why not? Oh, okay, I can like see what is in there. This one isn't wrapped or anything. How interesting. Ooh, it's like squishy. It's like a squishy bag of noodles in there. But see how much more satisfying this is when it's like a keychain? I don't know. Is that just me? Or comment down below if you like the keychain one better. The keychain one's better as well. But look at that. I'm not sure if this is ramen or another type of noodles. There were 6 different ones to collect. And I don't see a brand on here either. But that was all the different types we could have gotten. It looks like there was some purple ones. That would have been cool. All right, what's this? This was all the way at the bottom. Okay, this one, you could just, you can see my hair on it. Ow! Yeah, look at that. You could totally see like what this is as well, which I mean, I guess that's the true like mystery of it is like when you get these out of the vending machines, like obviously it's just gonna dispense one to you. So at that point it kind of doesn't matter. Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. It's gonna be like a miniature plant, but it looks like we have, oh no, that tells you how long ago we've had this. I'm gonna have to get something else to make this work. But look at how cute this is. So it came with some clay, which unfortunately has completely hardened at this point, but it was like a soil kind of mixture. Then we have this, which actually feels like kind of heavy and sturdy. Like it really does feel like the essence of clay pot. And then I can't even believe how lucky I am. Well, actually it looks like the whole thing is cactus and succulents. That's my favorite kind of plant. And look at that, you guys. We even have some of these in the backyard because I think sometimes these are referred to as like bunny ear or rabbit ear cactus because look, they look like little bunnies. So they actually have like picks on the end so you could like stick them in that molding clay. Maybe that was like a kind of craft that you're supposed to do, like those what are those called? Like the minis. We've only done one episode like that. The minis where you're supposed to like do the craft in the sun so that the resin can set. Maybe this was like the type of clay that hardens with like heat or something. So this is miniature garden. And yeah, they all were cactuses and succulents. So I would have been happy with absolutely any of these options, but I probably honestly got one of my favorite types. All right, you guys, I think I know. Oh my God. Okay, I can see this one in here and oh my gosh, I had no idea that I had this set of Gashapon anywhere, but it's like chickens. It's chicken. It's supposed to be like a play on KFC, I think. And oh my God, I can't believe I have this one because this is the one I honestly wanted the most out of the entire set. You guys, it is a rotisserie chicken. Look at that. Look at how amazing this is. Ooh, I feel like I can actually like use this as a keychain because the shell like actually feels pretty hard and protective as well. Oh my gosh, just look at that though. It literally looks like a rotisserie chicken. Ah! It'll be fun to see if I have any of the other ones of that set down in here. So these are J Dream. This is definitely a brand of these little mini things that I know, and it's CKN. So they have like a grandma looking character, but those are all the different options. So I feel like they're very clearly going for like a play on KFC, but oh my God, I thought I broke it. You guys. Okay, maybe the shell is not as protective as I thought it was, but oh my God, look at that! The chicken. You can poke the chicken. It's like a mochi squishy. I had literally, look at the little legs. It's doing a little dance. I thought that that was just a hard plastic miniature rotisserie chicken. You guys, it would be amazing to get the little drumstick as well. Is the drumstick squishy? I thought it was gonna be like, you know, I just wore that as a necklace. I don't think I have it in here anymore. But you know those like realistic keychains that you can get from like Temu and everywhere, Wish, AliExpress, all that jazz? They have the drumsticks all the time. Like barrette drumsticks, keychain drumsticks, and I always like clip them to my necklaces to just be extra weird. And I thought, oh, it's gonna be like a tiny little chicken. What if it's squishy, you guys? What if it's squishy? Ew! Oh my God, I see the card. What is this? What is this? I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my God. Is this what I think it is? This is gonna be so cute. Oh, okay, okay. I'm gonna cut this. This is like, wait, I didn't even show y'all. You guys, I'm like, that's how excited I am. I literally forgot to even show you guys like what I'm cutting open right now. Oh my God, I'm pretty sure this is like the most protective one of these things has ever been wrapped. I can't get it out of here. One more slice. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Okay, maybe this isn't what I think it is. I'm looking at the picture. This is not what I thought it was. Ow, you guys. I thought it was gonna be like tea kettle, like a silver fancy teapot. But you guys, I think it's like a camping lantern. Look at that. It's a miniature lantern. Ooh. Look at that. Can I say look at that 1,000 more times? Look at it from far away. Does it look like it's shining in the moonlight? You guys, this is like a very heavy keychain. This is like high quality. So let me see. I swear I see. Yeah, there are. So it's called Camping Goods Mascot. And maybe this is one of the more rare ones because they say it spins. So we could have gotten tea kettles. I'm pretty sure that's like what I would want, a cup or a kettle, most of all. But the lamp is pretty cool. All right, you guys, one more for today. Because I think that my camera stuff is running out. All right, what's this one? This one is like, I can see something in there, but what is it? Wake up in there. All right, what are you? Ooh, this one's like sealed really well. What are you? What are you? A thing. It's a ball. It is. It is a ball. It's a bowl. I don't know. What's gonna be? What is inside of here? I don't know. Let's wake it up. It's a thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. It is a mochi. It's like a creature. This kind of looks like a seal. Is it a seal? No, it has whiskers. Seals have whiskers. I don't know. What is it? It's a mochi. It's a mochi. It has like a biscuit on its head, maybe. It's very cute. Let's put you in your little bowl. Oh, now the camera is like overheating. Why not? All right. In the bowl. Ta-da! Now I feel like, you know, if you had this at your house, people would just open it up. There's a creature inside, a cat maybe. So these are all the different colorways. Ooh, this is a brand I recently saw as well, Yell. Probably not saying that right. The brand can't just be Yell, right? Oh, anyway, you guys, we still have many, many more to do. As well as I recently got some new sets from Amazon Japan that once again, it's going to kind of be, I'm probably going to do another episode next that is like just all one type of Gashapon, and we'll just open one set in a video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. Let me know which was your favorite item that we got today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!